A shiny black SUV rolls into a busy gas station. Just a few pumps away, an old silver sedan quietly parks. If you had only 5 seconds to guess who was richer.
But here's the truth almost nobody sees. An expensive car tells you almost nothing about the driver's financial future.
Meet Jason, 36 years old, wearing designer clothes, driving a luxury SUV, looking like someone who has already won at life. Now meet the character. They drive an old Honda, wear simple clothes, and almost nobody notices them. But every payday, they quietly buy something far more valuable than status.
She isn't chasing attention. She isn't trying to impress strangers. Every dollar she saves today is quietly buying her freedom tomorrow.
Real wealth isn't about expensive cars or designer watches. It's about waking up every morning without financial fear. Building wealth is different. Nobody claps when you skip unnecessary purchases. Nobody celebrates a growing emergency fund. The hardest part isn't making more money. It's resisting the pressure to spend it just to look successful. Think about it. The moment you get a raise, life quietly whispers, "You deserve something better." That's where the trap begins. One upgrade never stays alone. A better car demands a better apartment. A better apartment demands expensive furniture.
Without realizing it, your definition of normal becomes more expensive every single year. That endless chase has a name, and once it starts, most people spend decades running without ever reaching the finish line.
Now imagine investing that same money every month instead of spending it on appearances. Small investments don't look exciting today, but over time, they quietly become life-changing. That's the difference between buying status and buying freedom. One gets attention today, the other changes your entire future.
Most people think wealthy people drive luxury cars. But the truth is often the exact opposite.
The biggest financial mistake isn't buying expensive things once. It's making expensive living your normal lifestyle.
Lifestyle inflation happens quietly. You barely notice it until your paycheck disappears before the month ends.
Real wealth grows in silence. It doesn't need applause, likes, or expensive logos to prove it exists.
The people chasing status spend money to impress strangers. The people building wealth spend money to create choices.
Imagine waking up knowing your bills are covered, even if you don't work today. That's what financial freedom really feels like. Money isn't valuable because it buys things. It's valuable because it gives you options.
And that's the difference most people never understand. Rich isn't what people see. Rich is what you no longer have to worry about.
Think about the last expensive thing you bought. How long did the excitement actually last? A week? Maybe a month? Then it simply became normal.
The finish line keeps farther away because your definition of success keeps changing.
Emily plays a completely different game. She isn't trying to look richer every year. She's becoming freer every year.
While others collect expensive possessions, she quietly collects financial independence. Most people spend first and invest whatever is left. Wealthy people reverse that habit.
They pay their future first and their lifestyle second. It doesn't look exciting. That's exactly why so few people become wealthy.
The greatest financial advantage isn't earning more than everyone else. It's needing less than everyone else.
Confidence doesn't need expensive logos. It comes from knowing your future is already paid for.
Debt demands attention every month. Investments work quietly while you sleep.
Money isn't just about buying things. It's about buying back your time. The day you stop chasing approval is the day your money finally starts working for you instead of your ego.
Imagine two people earning exactly the same salary. 10 years later, one owns freedom.
The other owns payments.
Income creates opportunity. Habits decide the outcome.
Financial freedom isn't built in one big moment. It's built through thousands of quiet decisions no one else notices. The people chasing attention collect applause. The people chasing freedom collect time. And time is the greatest luxury of all.
Here's the strange part. The moment you stop trying to impress everyone, your financial life starts changing. Because wealth grows quietly. It doesn't need an audience. The loudest people often own the least. The quietest people often own the most.
Freedom begins the day your decisions are no longer controlled by other people's opinions.
Every dollar you keep working for you today becomes a worker you never have to hire tomorrow. The greatest luxury isn't a bigger house or a faster car. It's waking up with choices. Because in the end, real wealth isn't about what you own. It's about what you no longer have to worry about. Now imagine this habit continuing for 10, 20, even 30 years. That's where ordinary decisions create extraordinary results.
The people who win financially rarely make dramatic moves. They simply make good decisions consistently.
Success doesn't always arrive with fireworks. Sometimes it arrives quietly, one smart decision at a time.
The beautiful part is that anyone can start today. You don't need a perfect income. You only need a better direction.
Your future doesn't change because of one huge paycheck. It changes because of hundreds of small choices repeated for years. Discipline feels difficult today, but regret feels much heavier tomorrow. Money grows best when you give it time, patience, and a chance to keep working. And one day, people will call you lucky, never realizing they were watching years of quiet discipline. The hardest part isn't earning your first million. It's believing small decisions matter before the results become visible.
Most people quit because progress is invisible in the beginning. But that's exactly when the foundation is being built.
Compound growth rewards patience, not excitement.
The people chasing fast money often miss the slow fortune growing right in front of them.
Real wealth grows so quietly that by the time people notice it, the work is already finished. One day, someone will look at your life and call you lucky. They won't see the years you chose patience over pleasure.
Imagine waking up every Monday because you want to work, not because you have to.
That's what money is supposed to buy. Not attention, but options.
Because true wealth isn't measured by what you own. It's measured by the choices you can make without fear.
Financial freedom doesn't arrive overnight. It arrives quietly through thousands of ordinary choices.
Every smart choice becomes another brick in the life you're building for yourself. One day you'll realize the greatest return on your investments wasn't money, it was peace.
And that's when you'll understand the biggest secret of all. The richest life is often the simplest one.
The goal was never to impress strangers. The goal was to create a life that doesn't need their approval.
When your investments pay your bills, your time finally belongs to you again.
And once you experience that feeling, you'll never want to trade it for appearances again.
One day, people will ask how you became financially free. They'll think it happened overnight. But you'll remember it started with one small decision.
Not the decision to earn more, the decision to keep more.
Every dollar has a destination. You decide whether it builds your future or someone else's business.
Your future self is quietly depending on the choices you're making today.
Because the greatest flex isn't owning everything, it's needing almost nothing. When you stop chasing status, you finally have enough energy to build something that lasts forever.
The world rewards appearances for a moment, but it rewards discipline for a lifetime.
So start today. Save a little more. Spend a little less. Invest consistently. Let people underestimate you while your future grows quietly in the background.